Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation. Find a comfortable seat and allow your eyes to close gently. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension you may be holding. As we begin, focus on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the air move through your nostrils, filling your chest and belly. Then exhale, feeling a sense of relaxation spreading throughout your body. With each breath, imagine a wave of calm washing over you. With every inhale, draw in peace and stillness. With every exhale, let go of stress and worry. Now, bring your attention to the top of your head. Slowly scan down your body, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. Don't try to change anything, just observe. As you continue to breathe, visualize a warm, healing light above you. With each breath, draw this light into your body, letting it soothe and relax each muscle and joint. Let this light travel all the way to your toes, filling you with a sense of warmth and tranquility. Feel grounded and connected to the earth beneath you. For the next minute, sit with this feeling of complete relaxation. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to your breath and the sensation of the healing light. As this meditation comes to a close, start to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for taking these 5 minutes to care for your mind and body. Carry the sense of calm with you throughout the rest of your day.